All right, guys, are you able to see my screen now and be able to check? Wait, sending the link again to the channel for the people who are here. So guys, welcome to Crypto Space. We are glad to have you here. All right, I have given the new link. Let me share it to a couple of another channels also, so that I'm able to correct the things here. All right, so I hope I'm here. Hey man, thank you for coming. Thank you for the support, man. So yeah, so like we were talking about, sorry for the messed up chat. Like Taha doesn't know, of course, about this chat, but like yeah. So we were talking about this. You can call it this imbalance that has been filled. Like we had this box here, and we were looking out for this imbalance to be filled. Now it has been filled. Now I want a base to be made here. Like I won't say like the bottom is in or anything like that. We just have to see it is better to buy at a 10% hike from the bottom where you expect it to be for spot or anything else that you are looking to buy. Let's say you want to buy, what do you call it, BTC, LTC, EOS or anything at the dip, but you can't find where the dip is. Just wait for it, see what the price is doing at a range. Let's say it was trying to make a base here. Let's say it was trying to make a base here. It wasn't able to. Let me clean the charts again so everybody saw how the charts are working. We delete it. Now we restart. So let's say the price was, trying to make a base around here. So we are not going to see these are just 4 weekly candles, but if you go, it is just a whole month. It's a complete whole month. Let's me click on this also. Date range. Control S. Yeah. So this is a whole month until here, 28 days, right? This is 28 days. And in this price, made a bottom, went up again, and then went down. So this is a plenty of time to know and understand that, yeah, this is my zone to make money. The next happens here. We were here for 14 days almost. So if anybody wanted to make money, if you go to daily, I'm going to simply keep it to this concept today. If you go to daily, if you see the price is making a base here, you can always it is not, like absorbing all the orders from the down there, and there is a good recovery. If the recovery is good, you simply buy at these levels. You want to buy your hours or whatever, you buy. You sell at a price, at a decent price. What do you say? Let's say this much profit, 10% profit, 8% profit. Nobody knows how much the profit will be, but we are just talking about it. Speculation right now because we can't, completely. I will be coming to a live example, but this is, of course, speculation. Like you would have done because nobody does it. Like here, right now, if you see the absorptions of the orders here, you will see the price was respecting it. So you could have bought anywhere at this level, or even if you bought, any touches here, there was a decent slow profit. In BTC, we are talking about in arts, of course, you will see major profits. Yeah, Jagvinder. Hello, Jagvinder. How are you? What is approximate bottom of BTC? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about here. There is no such thing as a bottom or top. All right. You just have to see prices, what the price is doing at a significant level. This is the problem with people. They think, there is a bottom marked on a chart and it will be respecting it. Let's say I mark these three lines, these three lines. These three lines have no significance on this chart until price reaches here and does something about it. Many people get it wrong, many people get it right. I don't exactly care about it, but what I care about is you need to learn this. Many people think, price will come here and stop, price will come here and go up. Support, resistance. Things don't work like that. Until price reaches here and does something, you don't never know what it is. Price might, just simply break this over. You can't call it a resistance anymore. So the same happens for support. You have to see what the price is doing right there and accordingly invest. There is no particular base. Right now, like let's say we are here. Like I was talking about this imbalance, of course, like on the weekly, like I showed in the earlier chart. So we were talking about this imbalance. Now it has been filled. Now you want to see a bottom being made here. For that, you need to see the daily chart, or you can say a weekly chart, how much the rejection is after the weekly close. Then on the Monday, if the price is respecting that rejection from the bottoms. Then from after the Monday lows being set, you can start buying. You can see where the price market is going. You can, of course, catch up with the foreign market, forex market, and everything like that, and then see what the price is doing. Just a minute, guys. O1 Korea. Just a minute. Just a minute. That. Yeah. So we need to see what the price is doing at this range. After the what you are seeing the price is doing, let's say there are a lot of absorptions going on from this level, and then it never touches back again. So what you can simply do, you take the Monday's lows as a stop loss, like generic way, Monday lows as the stop loss, and you can buy in spot. You can sell, at a significant gain. Like, and now for gain, you don't have to again marks support and resistance. You simply go to hourly, you follow the chart, you see price what price is doing again. It might come here, it might come here, it might even come here. You have to see if the price is being rejected in a strong way or it is just a small rejection. Sometimes prices, reject like this. Sometimes prices reject like this. So this rejection is always sharp and that is visible when it comes here. This rejection is always different. That is visible when it comes here. So you have to differentiate between them. If it breaks, then it's going down to. Yeah, of course, that is correctly right. Like if you go to the cycle wise, if it breaks this 30K, we are going down to the bear cycle rest of, what do you call it? Uh, Last year's high, yeah, 19K. Sorry guys, I have a lot on my plate, so yeah. So 19K, this level is broken, then we are of course going down. I won't specifically say 10K like everybody has seen. I am always staying away from speculation. But yes, 10K, 15K, that is highly possible. We break this 29, 30K bottom that we made in July, we are down. We are down very bad. So if you are looking to even trade any fresh entries, if you are not again trading for stop loss, what happened here from here, be ready for it happening again, probably. There is a high chance for it. Hi, sir, DYDX. Yes, love, sir, for you, anything. Just a minute, doing it. Yeah. So what do we see here is like, this goes down like this. So now what we have to do is like we have to keep a stop loss here, right here. For that, before that, what you need, can do, like what I will suggest you to do, like on you go to 1 hour, you see there are a couple of rejections. You wait until Monday. I will say you wait until Monday, even if you have to buy here instead of here. Like even if you have to buy here instead of here, buy it, but wait until Monday's closing and see what the price is doing here. Price did here. And accordingly, make your decision, make your mind if you need to buy. And when you're buying here, let's say you're buying here and Monday lows are somewhere here, keep a stop loss below Monday low or keep a stop loss below this wick. That's all. You need to safeguard your money. Instead of losing, 6K, you guys end up losing 60K because you simply deny to use stop losses. So you have to use stop losses and understand the part of the game. Yeah, I'm also expecting a relief, to be honest. Like it's been so far-fetched. Let's assume Fed comes and they see all the global markets crashing and they are like, to stop that, we will keep printing money and enjoy everything booms again. Because we need money. They, just, what do you call it? They just come out and they say we are gonna keep printing money. Things will be, changed in a much positive manner. What do you have to do is like just see for the price and buy accordingly. No, sir, not today. Yeah, going back to DYDX USDT. Please don't disappoint me. Oh, you disappointed me. Oh, fuck. See the rejection. Sometimes I come to charts and I'm like, oh my God. Only if I left limit orders like this. Right, love? Only if we ever took the, you know, trades that we need to take. Great rejection from this zone. Now we are going down. If anybody needs to buy DYDX, just look for a bottom being made because there nothing is, you know, looking sensible on the chart itself. Yeah, this wick was a good entry. If it comes back below this, like this range, you can buy. This second line, I'm not sure of. First line, yeah, first line will be a good buy. Damn, Telegram blocked me. The fuck. Yeah. So true. I think we might see a bonus tomorrow. Hi, I'm too late, I guess. No, man, you are not late at all, I will say. Like, not exactly a lot late. We have not missed anything, just the BTC, but I won't say anything. Rest, if you guys have any charts, you can say Luna. Luna, let's go to Luna, guys. Let's watch Luna today, what it is doing. We made a chart on it previously also. Yeah, so we have made some lines again, we made some levels again. This is what I hate. I make levels, I forget about them. So this was the first zone I was expecting a bounce from. Like we got until 53, we are up again above the trend line. The second entry that we thought would be good, this was a good shot. But whatever, we are not going to go in the past right now. What you need to see for Luna is like, wait, if people are done seeing this chat, let me delete it so that I can make it again because I don't want to just, explain on a messed up chart. Right now, if you're looking to buy, you can leave some orders around this level, within this level. I mean, there will be people who think like it won't come. There are very high chances for it to come rather than, going up. Ours have just started to, what do you call it? Go down on BTC pair. They just have started going down in the BTC pair. They were not going down before, not that much. Now they are. So for that, you need to see and understand, what you need to do accordingly. Like if you are going to buy here or here, please use a stop loss. 2%, 3%, 10%, 20%. But yes, this level, it will be a good buy for Luna. After this, I won't, I will say like buy a wick here, but nowhere in the middle, then wait for this price, which is highly possible in, bear market, which will come, of course. Like there will be people thinking that this won't come. I will say if we get a bear market for the 99%, alts going down, we might even see this. Who knows? I don't. Matic. Sir, about Matic, yeah. All right. Regarding people will be thinking I'm too bearish. Right now, we are just making higher highs and higher lows. I don't think BTC goes up. Let's talk about BTC a little more. Fuck, half hour already completed. I didn't even know that. All right. Let's save. Yeah. Let's say BTC crosses this zone, manages to cross this zone. First this zone, then this zone. This is the major zone. If it breaks this level, 50K, yeah, then we can say, yeah, we are going for a new all-time high. Until then, there is nothing on the plate. Nothing like a all season of 500% gains or anything like that. In my opinion, of course, I'm no financial advisor. You are good to follow anyone you think is good. But rest, I will say this. Yeah, exactly, Taha. Like we need to grab the liquidity. Like on the first live, what I was telling, price stays in the range. People start longing in. Let's say price stays in this range. Like, how did I explain liquidity that day? I'm going to do it again for the people who missed. Let's say price stays in this range. What happens is like, what do big players need to buy BTC? Money? No, there is something much more they need than just money. They need sell orders for BTC. They need sell orders, a lot of them, for them to fill their buy orders. Just a minute, is this guy completing the thing I said him to complete or not? The fuck, man. Can you confirm? Yeah. So let's say this happens. Now, what they need is like, let's say they want to buy BTC in this level, in this level, in this level. They need sell orders. How they get the sell orders? They get it through people booking profits or, simply just hitting the SL of retailers. Like here, everywhere they will hit SL. That is why before a price going up, we see some wicks to the downside. And sometimes no wicks at all because there are retailers who think they are smart enough to, buy very much low. Like BTC is at 30K, their retail value will be at 15K. I mean, they never live in the present. Like BTC was 60K, they would, put orders for like, 55K. But the moment BTC reaches 53K, they will remove that order. So it never works like that. So never mind, that thing is a different thing. This is the main thing, like liquidity. They will need liquidity down here to buy their BTC. For that, price will keep coming down and then going up, keep coming down and then going up. We have to see what happens when the price comes down. And that is how we will be able to see if the BTC is going to go up or down. Next we were at Matic USDT. Love Bhai is sending Matic USDT to 0.3 cents. So anybody who is willing to buy, please wait because I believe Love Bhai. I don't know about you, but I do. Now it doesn't want me to, open Matic chart. Or does it? Alright, guys, unable to open Matic chart. Suggest me what do I do? Or nothing. Let me refresh the space then. Oh, just four people until now, but no worries. We continue what we are doing. Okay, my internet is fine. It's connected to the Wi-Fi. It's connected to 5G. Any idea, people, why it is still loading? Let me try trading view again. Internet is working just fine. People. Alright, finally worked. You go to Matic. Yeah, right here. Again, we have some seller from the top. Then again, we have a bottom. Entries being filled. Alright. Luckily, this chart didn't well, so I can say I'm glad I missed some entries. Yep, so Matic is like at a good entry point. I will say, like, personally, I will say this week was a good buy. We have a good support here. I don't see any imbalances on Matic in this, rally that needs to be filled. This one, I don't think it is going to be filled right now. Buyer sent me message. We are going through escrow. Damn, we will have a problem. We have a problem. Why everything has to happen today only when I have to do live? Hmm. So we were saying sorry guys, it's just something very important. जब इन रिकवरी कब तक स्टार्ट हो सकती है आपके अकॉर्डिंग? अप्रैल में मैटिक होल्डिंग अ गुड बाय जोन एट 25 आवर्स फॉलो फॉर एंट्रीज बिटवीन सी द हाउ डिड ट्रस्ट मी मैटिक अराउंड the bullish knows it's going to go crazy. I agree with Yaki. Matic will probably not come down to fill that big imbalance on Matic. Yeah, that imbalance is not going to be filled right now. And rest, what we are talking about is like, a guy asked like everything is following BTC. Let's open the chart of SP or what was it? DY Jones. Yeah, DY Jones. Oh, what was it? Why do I always forget? What was the name again? Can you? Yeah, there is this first. Do you see this market falling? Do you see this market falling? Whoever asked this question, I don't know. I haven't got nothing. Just answering. This is a fall in the market, American market. Let's go to something else. Let's go to the total chart for cryptocurrencies only. This is cryptocurrency total chart. Let's go to 1 month. You will be able to see correctly. Like these candles are low, but you know how much in value we have lost in terms of money? 44% of the money is out. 1.295 trillion. Just try to understand. Yeah, DOW, yes. So just try to understand what is this? This is 1.295 trillion money out of the market. Do you think just BTC is falling down is because that is why everything is falling down, every candle by candle? Everything falls down. People sell. They are holding BTC, crypto, whatever it is, they sell it. That's why it goes down. And cryptocurrency, the market, complete market is nothing about, without BTC. BTC might be, far behind in terms of technology against, if you put some other arts in the table, on the table. But then BTC doesn't, carry the market down. The market carries everything down. We have to understand that. TA doesn't help you to, understand bottom or top. Like, now the market is here, now it will go here, or now it will go here. That is something that people are mistaken about. It just helps you give you the zones. Like I opened some charts, there were some zones that were hit and it went up or it went down. It just helps you understand that where the price is going to stay, what the buyers or sellers are doing in this range, and which side the market is gonna go. Like let's say if I see the market is going good up, from here, like people are buying every candle, every chance that they get in the lower zone, or every bottom wick is filled. It means institutions are buying. So I will simply buy with them. And that is how I will go ahead with TA. Rest, I can't explain complete part of TA in the whole stream, but this is how it works. And going to Jagvinder's question, like recovery कब तक start हो सकती है? So regarding the recovery, like I said, again we go to BTC chart. What did I say? There is no bottom or top. Yeah, there is a local bottom, local top. We can talk about that. All right, local bottom and local top. Again, this happens. I hate this. Yeah, local bottom and local top. What is a local bottom and a local top? Local bottom and local top is something like, like where the price is going to stay for a while. That is a local bottom or a local top where the price is going to stay. This can be a local top right now if the price was just here. Right now, it's the top of the BTC. This can be a local bottom if the price goes up starts going down. This will be a local bottom until we know where the price is going to go. Let's say the price from here goes to 50K. This will be a lower, lower low. But then let's say price goes to 70K, 80K. We will say this was a swing low that gave us a good high. So that is how you differentiate between lows. You can never predict that BTC price is completely going to stay at this level or that level. We talked about imbalance, it is being filled. That's all we could expect and understand through this. It has been filled now. Prices, respected this zone. Now it may go up. This will be the, lower high that it can create before coming down again. So if you need to see where the price will be reacting, how it will be reacting. First zone will be the current bottom where we are. If we form a local bottom here, or if we go to 29K to 28K, and then the tops that we get, like 45K, 46K, 49K, whatever we get in the coming months. There is no time period also for this. Like we will have to see what happens in the next Fed meeting in the following current week, next week, of course. The week has not ended yet. So next week, of course, we have to see what the price does at that time. And after that, we will be seeing where we need to buy or where we need to start shorting again. BLX chart. See that. BTC, USDT, where is BLX? How do we get BLX, mate? If you can say, or you can DM me on the, what do you call it? Send me a text message on Telegram also. Just want to know how do we see that? Like specifically BLX. Has he replied? Filter it to crypto. No, it was filtered to crypto. Oh, sorry. Why the hell this is going like this? It keeps stuck at loading. Chat. Rest guys, you can put up your questions until then. Whoever is here, you can at least like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like I'm just trying to do the YouTuber shit. All right, guys, it's not working. Why it's not working, I don't know. So it keeps on loading and loading and loading. Internet is just fine. Otherwise, I won't be able to, what do you call it? Stream. That takes a lot of internet. So BTC USDT. Okay. Now what we were looking for? We have Bitcat. No. We have Delta. No, we don't know that. I was late. Can you tell me a small pack, pull back? Pull back? Why do you want pull back? Don't you think we need impulse, not pull back actually? Yeah, so it has worked right now. Regarding the BTC, let me again, until then, let's go to, yeah, this is the like, nobody's late rest. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah, right now I will say, see what the price is doing at this level. If it is holding, if it does, like you can expect the price to come until this level as per me. Like this level. This box, to be honest, I like to play with boxes. It's been a while that I have been playing with boxes. Like in the like I've been studying new strategies, so boxes don't appear, their lines do. But yeah, this box actually. I will like to see the price in this box before being rejected further down, if there is a case for that. Otherwise, in terms of a for a lower high, I expect at least 47 to 50K price to be touched in the coming months. I won't say next day, next week, in the coming months. All right, guys. So this is what it is about BTC. We have covered other charts also, and what was other chart that we needed? There is no other chart. Yeah, we were doing Matic, right? Let me do about Matic. Regarding regarding charts and everything, don't think support is a support or resistance is a resistance unless you know what the price is doing around it. So I will say this price was a good buy. If we get it again, buy it. Next will be this zone, like this preferred zone. I won't say this box this big. I will say this range. How much is 3%? Yeah. So let's coming back to the start. Sorry, guys, this is work just to work. Yeah, so here right now, this is a good buy. Second buy is this. Third buy, this level, very rare. Honestly speaking, seeing how much people are eyeing right now at Matic, this and these imbalances, forget about them being filled. But, we are saying but right here, right now on the stream itself, we break somewhere in this zone, this blue zone, we lose it, we will fall straight to this. No in between. And I'm not kidding. So again, stop loss comes in play. Anyone who is a retailer here, yeah. So anyone who is a retailer here, don't play in right now in futures at least if you are not having a stop loss. Yeah, bye. Yeah, Iqbal. How are you, man? There are just two people watching. This means like people are not interested in watching anymore because I'm busy, but that is understandable. That is completely understandable right now. On Matic, these will be the buy zones. Let's talk about Alice since people were loving Alice in the stream previously. Why does it keep loading? Anybody knows why Telegram has a problem with me or anything else? Sir, I gave it on the beginning of the like yeah, yeah, that is completely okay. I'm not going to say anything about that. Regarding the BTC, I already said it like in the earlier of the video, completely in detail. The rest I will say again. Right now, we need to, if you are looking to buy spot or anything, see what the price is doing right now here. Wait until like see what the price does tomorrow. Wait until Monday lows are formed and see how it is like, not getting down from this level. Like all the levels are being respected. Price is being soaked up. Soaked up simply means every time there is a wick, somebody comes in and buys. Somebody comes in, buys, and you see a lot of wicks coming down, but the price is holding. On the time frames of 4 hour, you can say, yeah, just I have a deal right now. Where's the school link? Copy, copy, paste. Yeah. So tell us about Ada. I bought some Ada. They will watch later, my friend. Yeah. Yeah. So for BTC, again, it is being reset. Sorry, guys. I'm just busy and trying to. Find 500 chips. 4x, 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 4x gain. So ADA, until then, let's go to ADA. Yeah, this is working again. ADA is here. We are again back at the same level of this monthly. This chart is like the Matic one, just Matic is here right now. So right now, this is it just for ADA. It loses this level. We are going to see this big of our downtrend first. Then if we lose this level, we are going to see this big of a downtrend. These two are imbalances. Like we talked about BTC and we said, like this. Why the hell people can't make it fast? Yeah. So if we go like this, we will be here. So if you are buying ADA, I will simply say a weekly close below this level. I will say instead of, looking out for multiple gains of this $3, $5, or $10, book your losses or just sell in the next lower high. Like it's not going to go down like this, of course, but it will be going down something like this and this. Mostly the price action is like this. Otherwise, there are some price actions like this, sometimes like, you know, sometimes like this. So, see like that. Shit, when are you going to buy back, sir? I am not buying anything right now. Like I missed a lot of this. I missed a lot of dip, you can say. But then, what do you call it? Uh, we wait for another day. That's what I have suggested to other people. You wait and then just simply buy later when the price is suggested. Like if I wanted to short ADA, I won't be shorting like right here that, I'm saying ADA will go down this fit. What if ADA does this? What if, ADA just simply closes above this? This level is important. This level is broken. And then we might see this again, blue. But it's about levels, weekly closings, levels above it. Like if you get a weekly closing about 1.47, you can say, or to be safe, 1.50. You can expect the next price to be reached in the coming weeks. But if it rejects from there, it can again come back to the price. So you book profits. Any buy suggestions now? I am not filling any backs exactly, but FTT is a good buy. It's one of my long-term hold, and this is a good buy. Like this is the region. Like this is the reason I am looking to buy actually for FTT. I already have a lot of FTT bought from even here, 63, even 58, 57, and even 47, and even 37. I have FTT, and next I will be looking to buy at these levels, and probably with a stop loss on a weekly closing below this zone. Because if we close below this zone, we are going to fill this imbalance again. So we need to see all of that first. Yeah, so this is how it works. FTT I like. Any suggestions for FTM, sir? All right, FTM I will say, guys, just I will like increase the staying time from 9:30 to 10 to instead 10:30 or 11. Just just be patient a bit. Like for me, like I'm not complaining about you or like you're asking a lot of questions. Keep asking questions. Just be a patient if I don't reply for a minute or two. I'm just doing something on phone also. It's just important to me. It's again not loading, so what do I do? Tell me what do I do of these charts? They don't load. Sure, sir. Yeah, thank you, man. So FTM is something like this. Why it is not loading again? I hate this shit. Okay, this is here. Like we covered FTM yesterday also. I will say like, you can go through previous videos also. You will get a lot of knowledge. So we had FTM like this is a simple rejection you will say. Here was a top. Even if you mark a line here, it was rejected from there only. I won't say, I shorted it. I am so much in gains. Things never work like that. It's 40% down in a week. Okay, from here it's 40% down. But things don't work like that, that you will get all the shorts or all the longs right when you are charting things. There is a thing called psychology. You don't have it, no matter how good of a chartist you are, you won't be able to do anything at all. What is next here? Buying levels, buying levels. Sorry guys, I said like just distracted a bit. Like buying levels will be first level will be this. Stop loss here. Like if you want to have a stop loss a weekly closing below $1. If we just go below this, this is not that big of an imbalance. This box is, then this box is, then this is not an imbalance at all. So these three boxes are imbalances. So you will look to buy at these levels. Right now, I don't think these imbalance will be filled on Matic or on FTM. Exactly. On ADA, I am positive about it. On FTM, on Matic, no, I'm not positive about that. I don't think they will fill because regarding the where is the guy? Where is the guy? Where is the guy? On FTM, I'm not positive that these will be filled. We should see a bounce off here. So if you want to buy, you buy first somewhere around here. Like this is also a good bid. This is an imbalance here, right here. Yeah, I missed this one. This is an imbalance. Now I will say why it is there was a dip like this and it went up. This dip was for this imbalance. You can see this is where harmonics come. You can even make a harmonics here. Like, don't ask me, like, I am not very much perfect with it, like, if it will start from here or here. But yes, this is where you can make a harmonic, something like this from here. Like, trust me, don't judge me for that, please. I'm just giving an example. Like, it is harmonics is based on imbalance and liquidity, of course. So, something like this, something. If Taha is here, he can, of course, correct me. I will be delighted if he does. And then we pump from this bottom. And now it can come back to this level, at least this level, 1.5. And then depending on that, you can buy. Any more chart requests, please, guys? Let me know. Oh, where is this guy? Thanks, man. You're welcome, man. You can hustle how long you have been in crypto. I won't lie, I've been like checking crypto out since like 2 to 3 years. Actual trading, 6 to 7 months. Learning about crypto, it was like much before that. Actual trading, 6 to 7 months. Like I started off in April, then I took a break until like, May also. Like I actually bought my first BTC in January last year. After thinking a lot of things, being from India and getting your own money is kind of a drag. You have to work a lot for that. But yeah, first BTC in January. Then after that, we just simply, what did we do? We bought more in April. Then there was a dump. Then I was like, oh my God, I should understand what I'm doing here. I should respect what I'm doing here. And after that, I took my break of, what do you call, July to August, I was back in September. There are some people who know me, I was out of the market for 3 months. Market was dipping, I was out. I was not making foolish decisions because I was not as good as I am today in terms of my psychology. Sometimes I will buy, I will sell depending upon the candles itself. Even when I knew, like, if Mime is here, he knows how much I do it, or even Love or anyone else. Like, I will buy, I will mark charts, they will work, and I will still not respect them. I will use the word respect instead of using because they are my charts and they are a source of my earning. But I won't respect them. Like I will see price being rejected from here. Like we have the charts here in my main Telegram main trading view. This is a different trading view I use for live. So in my main trading view, we have a chart. I was about to book profit here, but I didn't. I'm still holding my what do you call it FTT. The same happened with Quant. In my sessions premium, I said to everyone when it come to 233 that guys just sell it. I said just sell it. But what people did was like they sold some, they did not sold. What I did was I did not sell it at all. Now it's at 100. I'm still averaging. And I'm not, sad about it or anything like, because this is a part of the game. You gotta do it. But following things out, I'm following more right now than I was doing in May and April, June. So if you can do it, you just go out of the market for a while. Don't take your money out at 50% losses when you did not take them out at 5%. That is something I will suggest. And for futures trader, please use a stop loss. If it hits, it hits. Understood? Any questions? What I need to do, I need to send 320 USDT. 350. Just a minute, guys. Just getting some codes on my mobile phone. Rest, if anyone watching have any questions, please ask because I can't just continue without questions or anything. I am down 50%. What do you do suggest I do, my friend? Can you tell me the coins you are holding, sir? Coins, names, or anything. Other guys, you can ask questions too. I'm waiting on questions. Until then, I will just transfer the USDT I need to. So, guys, I will try to be more professional from next time. And, instead of doing a stream, I will just simply say, I will deny the stream. Now, who is she? She's so. I don't want to listen anymore right now. Let me just close WhatsApp for now. Yeah. So, what are we doing? BTC, ETH, Lena, Atom, FTM. Oh my God, you Atom and FTM did good. How are you down on them? They did really good. Guys, anyone? Oh my God, sir, you are holding a list, guys. Yeah. So let's talk about BTC, ETH, Lena, Atom, FTM, Sol, IOTX, Matic, ADA. So, sir, I will say half of them like are good. ADA is something that you bought right now. I already suggested that if you are looking for ADA, just make sure either you sell on a bounce or you keep an eye on the levels that I told you about. Sol, I will say if you can average, if you get, what do you call it? If you get an entry around $70 to $40 or somewhere around in this dip, current dip, I'm not saying, after a month or after a week. In this week, currently week until Monday, if you get a dip entry around 30 to 70, you can average some. Regarding selling, I won't say cut your losses right now. Not a good choice. Like if you did not sell at the top, why sell at the bottom? Lena is something that I am personally holding some. Or am I? No, I did. I sold. Oh, sorry. I sold last pump. Yes. Lena, I bought also and I sold. I will simply say like right now selling doesn't make sense. At this time selling not at all. In the next pump please sell. Yeah, so we are talking about other things like there are new people joining in. Can you ask your questions, guys, if you have? For Lena, I will say simply like once it ends up loading, I will again tell what I think once I see the chat. You see, this keeps loading, so I just keep an eye on the comments. I had another device to see the comments and everything, but it is busy right now. Lena USDT, here we are. You see the dump, or don't you? Like. So it's just about waiting, like if even if we were seeing Lena chart right here, let's say right here, I would have said, like, if it goes below it, you have to average here. It's just so obvious. Here is the bottom. This is like a macro level retest. Just a minute. Just a minute is the transaction done. I'm just expecting something. Yeah. So if you see, it is so obvious. It is a macro level retest, not a micro. It is coming down here after how many months? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is this date range? Yeah. After a year almost. So do you think price won't pump here? It will for sure. Can you see? I don't see anything at all. But regarding saying, I will say this is quite a hard dump. So even if you get a chance to sell anywhere around here in the first zone, you will be lucky. 30% pump right now in the coming days. I don't see it happening very soon. Any more questions, guys? I see four people, four new people, four old people. If you can just drop a like, comment, something slower than the recommended bitrate. We recommend that. Just a minute. Stream is healthy. 128 kbps. No need for that. Yeah, so guys, regarding Lena, I will say you will be lucky to sell here right now. In slower, smaller levels, what I see is like this level, and this level. Right, all right. Let me see if we have more comments. Okay, can you see where I bought a big bag? I assume there is nobody else who is trying to ask questions. So right now, like in the end, I will suggest one thing. Use a stop loss, please. Start using it. I mean, who likes 50% losses? I learned, like I was talking about my May and June, experience, like where I had to close the app, simply focus on charts through my laptop, not open my exchange. What I did right now in June, June, in December, in January dump of 46K, I sold most of my portfolio, whatever I had for short term. I sold it off. Why? Because I was believing my charts. I sold at 46K. The odds were simply down by 10%, 5%. If people remember, I sold sushi around $6 and said I cut the losses. And here we are. We cut the losses, and now we are like, what do you call it? We are how much percent? 50% down on cryptos, 60% down, 70% down. We are down like that. So use a stop loss. And by the way, thanks around your previous thoughts on quantity really touched the 86 line today. Was surprised it happened so fast. Sir, I don't actually know your name, so I don't know if when I advised you or anything, but I am glad that you remember because I have been speaking about quant since how long? 3 months. I've been saying don't buy it at top, don't buy it at top, buy at bottom, but people don't understand. Rest guys, I see one more person coming in. Thank you for coming in. So what I was saying again, I will say it again. What I was saying, I will say again. Use stop losses. Buy in spot. If you are doing futures, anybody who is doing futures, do one thing, just one thing, keep a stop loss. Trust me, it will save you from so many things, so many disasters, I will say. Disasters. Not even things, disasters. Right now, anybody who didn't use stop loss, they would wake up and be like, oh my God, where is my money? So you have to see things like that and then work on it. Oh, you were there. Oh, thanks, man. Nice. Let me see where did I put quant exactly. Like, see, sometimes things happen fast, sometimes things happen slow, but they happen right. See, quant is like that. Oh, I would have made the coupon one. Yes. So here we are. 88. This was the lower level that I said like you can buy here. So even if you bought here, it's just like 10%. Nothing right now in this market, but yeah. So you can even sell right now and you can wait if the quant comes down to, until this level. It might not because this was the imbalance that we had. It's filled now. We have a small imbalance here? No, we don't. This was the only imbalance we had in quant. We can see quant here in bear market? Yes. We can see quant here back? Yes, again. So you have to be very much confident on what you are doing. Again, making a transaction, guys. Just a minute. Copy OTP. So thank you guys for understanding whoever stayed and listened to me so far because I just had to do the live because I promised and then I was like, let's do it. Let me text my friend mine. Guys, any further questions? Let me see the Yeah, so guys, just as I have some work, if you guys don't have any questions, I will just VOM dot red. Sorry, can't understand. Let me see if we have a crypto for that name. Honestly speaking, I'm asking, seeing for the first time. Sorry, mate, nothing. Do we have anything? Warm dot red. What is warm? Let me see. What is warm exactly? Oh, it's nothing. My God, such candles. I am so done doing weave and everything all the time. It takes a lot of my time, I guess. Any So this guy has not said what warm is. No further question, guys. Can we just end the stream for now? I will be back soon. Like probably tomorrow we will have interactive live sessions on Telegram. Anybody who is watching or want to invite their friends to the Telegram channel, we have the link on the bio, on the details of the live. You can join the Telegram. You can invite your friends over. We will be having an interactive session on the Telegram live exactly. The time will be shared tomorrow in the morning, like 12 hours from now. We will be sharing the time, and then you all can join. It will be an interactive session. You can ask your question, speak about it, and then I will be answering it. Nothing YouTube. YouTube will be done on week only. On weekdays, alternative days. Telegram session every Sunday. Rest, guys. See you soon. Drop a like if you haven't. Maybe share the video with other people. And sorry for if the today's live was not much interactive, not much productive for you, but I hope you learn. I wish you luck, and I want you all to grow in this field. Trust me, I do. I don't know about other people. I do. I want to grow a credibility here, and I want to people to trust me. Rest. I hope everything goes fine for you all. All right, guys. I don't think we have any questions. I will end the stream just now. Good night, guys. Take care. See you soon.